Let me begin by commending all personnel deployed during yesterday's Trillion Peso March or the White Ribbon Movement. Through your professionalism, discipline, and restraint, the activity conducted peacefully and orderly. I also thank our Filipinos who cooperated with the PNP security measures and responsibility, exercised their right to peaceful assembly. Yesterday reminded us that democracy is strengthened when people can freely express their views while peace and public order are preserved. That same commitment to public service is reflected in our day-to-day law enforcement operations. Over the past week, our campaign against illegal drugs, campaign against wanted persons, against smuggling, send a clear message that the PNP remains relentless in protecting our economy and running after organized criminal groups. I also commend our joint operating teams for the successful operation along NLEX in Bukawi, Bulacan. Through swift cooperation and timely response, a group linked to a series of robbery incidents was intercepted before it could victimize more communities. Ito ang malinaw na patunay na ang mabilis na koordinasyon at maagap na pagkilos ay nakapagliligtas ng buhay at nakapipigil sa mas maraming krimen. While we recognize these operational gains, we must remain equally vigilant in protecting our youth. The recent incidents reported in Cavite, Tacloban, Tolosa, and Apari remind us that school safety requires constant attention and close partnership with our communities. I therefore direct all police units to strengthen coordination with school officials, local government units, the family through their parents and community leaders, increase police visibility around schools, intensify crime prevention programs, and strengthen youth engagement initiatives. Keeping our schools safe begins long before a crime is committed. Prevention is just as important as enforcement. Ang bawat paaralan ay dapat manatiling ligtas. Every school should be a place where our children can learn and grow without fear. To all parents, rest assured that your PNP remain committed to helping keep our schools safe. After weeks of thorough, impartial, and evidence-based investigation into the tragic drowning of 2 student athletes during a team activity in Aurora, the PNP has filed the appropriate complaint before the Department of Justice for alleged violations of Anti-Hazing Act of 2018 and other applicable law against the identified respondents. Nagpapasalamat tayo sa lahat ng nakipagtulungan sa ating investigasyon. Ang kanilang kooperasyon ay naging mahalagang bahagi sa pagbuo ng kasong ito. Hahayaan nating umusad ang proseso ng batas at patuloy nating titiyakin na maibibigay ang hustisyang nararapat sa mga biktima at sa kanilang mga pamilya. Let us remember that every police action, whether securing a public assembly, preventing crime, protecting our children, or conducting an impartial investigation, continue to one goal: strengthening the trust of the Filipino people. Let us continue to serve with integrity, professionalism, and compassion as we build a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.